Google Drive's sharing settings are one of its most powerful features, but they can also be confusing if you're new to them. In this video, we'll break down how Google Drive sharing works, what each option means, and how to choose the right settings for school, work, or personal use. Understanding these settings is essential for keeping your files secure while still making collaboration easy. Let's start with the basics. When you click Share on any Google Drive file, you'll see two main sections: Share with people and groups and General Access. The first section lets you directly choose who can access your file. You simply type in someone's email and you can assign one of three roles. Viewer lets them only read the file. Commenter lets them leave notes and suggestions without changing the content. An editor gives them full control, meaning they can make changes, share the file with others, or even delete content. The second section, General Access, determines who else can open your file beyond the specific people you've added. The most secure option is Restricted, which means only the people you've invited can access the file. This is best for private documents, school projects, client files, or anything sensitive. Another option is Anyone with the link. This lets anyone who receives the link open the file, even if they don't have a Google account. You can still set their role as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what you need. Use this carefully because link sharing can spread quickly if forwarded. There's also an option labeled with your organization's domain, like anyone in your company with the link. This is common for school or work accounts. It allows people within your organization to access the file, but keeps outsiders out. It's useful for team collaboration. Just remember that anyone inside your organization can open the file if they get the link. Another useful feature is the Prevent Editors from Changing Access option. Turning this on ensures that only you can modify sharing settings, even if others have editing permissions. You can also disable downloading, printing, and copying for viewers and commenters, which adds an extra layer of protection for sensitive content. Finally, don't forget to regularly review your shared files. Over time, you might forget who you've given access to. Visit your Shared with Me and Shared sections to tidy things up and remove access where needed. By understanding and managing these Google Drive sharing settings, you can collaborate smoothly while keeping your files secure and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Google Drive tutorials, tech guides, and productivity tips to help you work smarter in 2025.